What's happening, people? Cam's Life 12 here in the Q50, and we got a big problem. Well, it's not big, minor problem. All right, so the problem is the Q50 has inherited, or whatever, the infamous, however you want to say it, belt squeal. So anytime I accelerate fast over 3,000 RPM, you'll hear a belt squeal with the Q50. Let's see if it does it. It didn't do it that time. But yeah, lately I've been noticing it. So actually I'm on my way to a service appointment at the dealership. I just got off of work. That's why I'm in my scrubs. Going to hit that up. Then after that, supposed to meet up with Black Tuxedo and Fiero Boy around 5:30ish. And then maybe in between then, I can go review a turbo truck. Yes, you heard it. A turbo truck that I've been trying to review. I'm going to see if I can get there. If not, cool. I'm going to try another day. But yeah, right now I'm on my way to the dealership. It's like 40 minutes from where I work. God dang. And then I'm going to have to double back literally 2 miles from where I work to meet up with Fiero Boy and Black Tuxedo. So yeah, I mean, it's not like I'm not driving the car. I put miles on it, driving all the way to Frisco, then turn around, literally driving back to where I work. The things you do for content. Well, this isn't for content. This is just to have them look at it, because the longer I wait, the more they'll be like, why didn't you bring it in? So yes, sir, I'll get back to y'all once I get to the dealership and see what they have to say about everything. I talked to the guy on the phone. The car is still under manufacturer warranty, and apparently this is normal for Q50s, Q60s. He says belts, pulleys, things like that get unaligned and have to be realigned, and then maybe a belt has to be changed. I just don't want them to pull no funny business. Luckily, I do have the squealing on video in case it comes to that. Like, oh, we didn't find anything. Well, check this out. You know how dealerships can be. But yeah, get back to y'all when I get there. We have made it to the dealership. All right, guys, it's been about 2 or 3 days, but the Q is home. Actually, they did and fixed the belt in maybe an hour, hour and a half. The only real wait was actually sitting there while other cars were in front of me. But shout out to Crest Infiniti on not giving me really any BS. I took it in and it was under warranty, manufacturer warranty, under a certain amount of miles. Took it in, they heard the exhaust. The guy thought the exhaust was cool. He thought the spoiler was cool. He was actually surprised that I put the spoiler on myself. I mean, it's just tape. But yeah, he was just like, you're brave for doing that. And I was like, I mean, I did it at home in like 30 minutes or less. But next, like I said, potentially gonna get this wrap, gloss black. I have the chrome delete for the doors already. Just waiting to put it on. I need to go shave. And then we're gonna do chrome delete on the front bumper here. But yeah, old girl is back in the garage. As you can see, the Lancer is now always outside because my fiance's car is right here. It makes it easier for her to get the baby in and out. But yeah, not sure what I'm gonna do with the Lancer yet. I thought about if I could find a old BMW E36 manual, has to be manual. Thought about getting rid of the Lancer and then turning the Q50 into a daily car and building the BMW. Because I don't think I'm gonna do too much more to the Q50. Or I've also seen some nice Honda Civics, older Honda Civics, manual. Whatever I get, it's gonna have to be a manual. If I get another project car, it's gonna have to be manual. It could be an Eclipse. Well, it has to be a certain older Eclipse. BMW E36 or E30.
But right now, prices are through the roof. Or it could be a Mitsubishi Eclipse, like late 90s and older. Those are what I would put this out on the street for, pretty much. But until then, Campsite 12 signing out. Y'all be sure to hit the like, subscribe, and y'all see I've been grinding these videos out. I mean, I'm trying to get these subscribers to go up, but at the same time, it feels kind of like pointless. But I'm not gonna stop. I'm coming for that 1,000. Until next time.